everybody, this is me, Malachi, and this is Selah, my little sister, and I'm going to be reviewing Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Dog Days, the movie, and the book. This is about Greg Helfley and his fellow Helfley family members who, well, don't get along a lot. Greg's always arguing with his brother. His brother does a lot of mean things to him. And his little brother laughs at him when he does these weird stuff. Hey, somebody passed some gas. And my favorite page was, where is it? This. The VIP snow removal. Because it's like what they were doing earlier. The VIP lawn service, as you can see on the other page. And, well, the first time, my auntie got me this. And the first time I actually laid my hands on this, I didn't actually read the words. But now I read the words. And my mom goes crazy because I'm reading it 24/7. So much times. I read it like 20 times or something. And the person that I think that I am in this book is Greg. He's a video game lover. I'm a video game lover. Calm down. And so anyways, there isn't anything I didn't like. Stop it! There isn't anything I didn't like. Others should read this because it's fun and it's amusing. And I think everybody will enjoy this the most because it's funny, super duper ooper ooper looper kadooper funny. And I learned that you shouldn't really stay inside all the time. You shouldn't really stay inside all the time because it's bad for you. So this does get the Malachi approval. And until next time, bye from me and Selah.